Create a website in minutes with Hostinger's AI Web App Maker. No coding needed. Just enter your brand name, choose your niche, and let AI design a complete website, including content and layout. Perfect for beginners or affiliate marketers. Want to build a website with zero coding? Here's how to do it with Hostinger's AI Web App Maker. Step 1. Go to Hostinger and select the AI Website Builder. Step 2. Enter your brand name and describe your business. Step 3. Choose a style you like. Step 4. The AI generates your full website with text, layout, and images in seconds. Step 5. Customize if needed and publish instantly. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making money online through affiliate marketing. Look, our website is ready. I'm about to publish it and connect the domain, super easy and quick. You can try it too. The full process is explained in the description. Check the pinned comment to access the tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.